guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a hot minute since I've last recorded a video, but I am so excited to bring this video to you guys today. And I'm really interested in this. And I know that if you've been following along on my channel before, you know I'm a little bit of a health/tech fitness kind of geek. And today I'm excited to bring you a unboxing and a review of my new Veri continuous glucose monitor. And I'm gonna unbox it and I'm gonna open it up and put it on with you guys live on camera today. So for those of you guys that don't know who I am, hello, hi, how's it going? My name is Anika and I'm an American living in London, and I love sharing my life online with you guys, and I love sharing exactly what I get up to. A lot of my content is around my fitness and my health journey, and today I'm going to be doing exactly that and taking you guys along with me on a little bit of a journey. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and setting up my Veri continuous glucose monitoring device, and it is a state-of-the-art device that is constantly monitoring your blood sugar levels. And whether you're someone who is concerned about diabetes or someone who just wants to manage their health a little bit better, this is an awesome device. It's at home. It's something you do by yourself. You don't need to go to a doctor to do this, but I would recommend anything that you do that is health related. Please, as a disclaimer, I am not a physician, so this video is just me sharing my experience and my health tips with you guys. So if you do want to try this out and you have concerns, please talk to a medical profession or your doctor. So I decided to try out a continuous glucose monitor because I am a woman that is on a health and fitness journey. And as a woman, I have been given a lot of unsolicited advice over the years of what is good to do, what health fad to follow, what diet to follow, if carbs are good, if carbs are bad, if, eating in the morning is good or fasting is good. I get all this unsolicited advice, and to be honest, every single person is different, and the way your body reacts to a certain food or to a certain protein is going to be totally different depending on your genetic makeup and your DNA. So because of that, I wanted to actually track my blood glucose levels throughout the day to see how what I eat, how I sleep, and the exercise I do actually affects me day to day. If you are watching this video, you probably already know this, but maintaining a healthy or stable level of blood sugar throughout the day is extremely important for your energy levels, your longevity of life, and just your overall health. So if you are watching this and you are looking to maintain a healthy blood glucose level, maybe you should try out the Veri app. I'm going to give it a go, and today is just an unboxing and an actual installation of the device. But if you guys do want to see what my blood glucose levels are like, or if you are interested on what happens throughout my fitness journey, make sure you follow along and hit that big subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you know exactly when my next video is going up on this. Right, so let's jump into unboxing this and potentially stabbing myself with a needle in my arm. Oh, also to note, what's really great is when you sign up on the website at Veri, which I will link everything down in the description below, this actually comes within 48 hours. It was amazing. It dispatched super quickly and it was at my door and it was like ready for me to use. Also, just to be clear, Veri is a subscription service. What's great also about Veri in comparison to the other glucose monitoring apps out there is Veri allows you to use any glucose monitoring device. You don't actually have to use theirs. They recommend using theirs because it's just easier, which is what I'm gonna do. But if you did want to buy your own monitors, you can, and your own sensors, but it's totally up to you. But I am using theirs and they bill you monthly, but they also then automatically dispatch new sensors out for you every single month. On the inside, there's some marketing material and pretty clean and pretty easy to understand. So the box itself is in another box, and in this box it says, warning, tracking your glucose might be seen as a revolutionary act. And that is exactly what it says on the box, and I think that's super cute. And this is a gift of better metabolic health, which is I am super excited about. So let's actually open this. So what actually comes in the box are two Abbott Freestyle Libre sensors, and these are the sensors that are actually going to be stuck onto your arm, and they're going to stay there. And then when they stick onto your arm, they stay on for about 2 weeks, and then you swap them out. And in the box itself, there is also alcohol pads so that you can sanitize before you actually stab yourself with a sensor. And then the two sensors themselves are in the box as well. So once you actually install the app, what's great is that it is step-by-step on how to set up and actually install your sensor. So you just click on set up, and then once you hit set up and get started with Veri, it'll install the Libra Link app, which you have to download. So once you download that from the App Store, you can then actually start setting up your Freestyle Libra and making sure that it is actually transmitting data to your iPhone or any Android phone as well. Once you set up the Freestyle Libra app, it'll actually tell you your breakdown of glucose color. So like if you have high glucose or between target range or glucose within or below your range, it'll give you color grades as well. So it kind of tells you exactly what you should expect when it comes to your glucose levels. And it will adjust as you get to use the app more and more and as it gets to know you more and more. All right, there are step-by-step instructions, so this should be fairly easy to do, but I am so nervous already. I feel like really antsy and I don't know why. Everyone online says it's pretty straightforward, but I am so nervous doing this. I'm probably gonna have to edit out how nervous I am doing this. So I'm gonna do it on the back of my right arm. You guys have probably seen a lot of people wear these before, but you're supposed to stick it on the fattiest part of your arm. And I'm going to put it right back here on my right arm because I am left-handed and I'm not sure if it's gonna make me sore, but I guess I'll do it on my right side just to see. So the first step is to actually use an alcohol pad and sanitize and clean the area. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Gosh, I am so nervous. Oh my God. Why am I so nervous? Okay, I hope it's clean. I think it's clean. I've just been rubbing it. I'm gonna keep rubbing it because that'll make me feel like I don't have to stab myself. Okay, I'm being a little bit dramatic probably, but give me a thumbs up for doing this on camera. Okay, the next step says to peel this back and then screw this bit onto here. Push down. Okay, I pushed down. Okay, and then pull it out. Oh my gosh, there it is. There's the needle. Do you guys see that? Oh my God, do you guys see that needle in there? I'm so nervous. Okay, and then you push it against your arm where you sanitized, and then you just push with force, I assume. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God, already nervous. Why am I so nervous? 3, 2, 1, no. Okay, I can do this. 3, 2, 1. Is it on? I think it's on. Oh, it's stinging a little bit, if I'm honest. Okay, I think it's on. I think I did it, guys. And it's on, guys. Look, there it is. Okay, I think I did an okay job with this sticker. I didn't do the best, but first time installing it, not too bad. It also comes with spare stickers. So like, I'm guessing as you shower and you wash and you have to change them if they become less sticky over time, there's spare stickers, which is great. So to be honest, it wasn't as painful as I was expecting it to be, but I did feel a little pinch. It felt like a little bit of like someone pinching you really quickly. And I think I just got more scared by the sound of the actual crushing of it against my skin than anything, and I don't really feel it that much anymore. I mean, I feel that something's hanging off my arm, like obviously there's something now new attached to my arm, but other than that, I don't really feel anything. So super easy, simple, easy to do yourself, and don't worry and don't get too overwhelmed if you feel like it's just like painful or you can't stab yourself. It's not like a needle. It's definitely not like a needle. So once you actually have installed the sensor onto your skin, you now need to pair it with the app, which is pretty straightforward. You just need to make sure that you have Bluetooth enabled on your phone, and then you follow the instructions in the app and you actually set up a new sensor. So what's great is it's going to actually hold data up to 8 hours on this. So you just have to keep tapping your phone every 8 hours or so. I probably am gonna tap my phone every single time I eat, before I go to bed, and in the morning. So that's it. It's really easy to use, really easy to set up. And now all I have to do is continue to live my life, eat my food, do what I want. And the sensor will be monitoring my blood glucose level and be feeding it all back to the app. And I'll be tracking all that data. And I will make a follow-up video to this of giving you guys all the details of exactly what I'm eating, how it's affecting my blood sugar levels, and am I being healthier or not? Are grapes healthy for me? Are bananas healthy for me? Who knows? All I know is that we're all different, and what's really cool about this is I get to now see exactly how food affects me. I think what will be so good about this is that it'll really hold me accountable to everything I eat. I tend to follow basically an 80-20 diet where 80% of the time I try to eat as healthy as possible, and 20% of the time I do have a few cheat meals or some sugar or ice cream or things like that. And because of that, I want to see how that 20% might be actually affecting my blood glucose level. So I think that's really amazing. Also within the Veri app, it actually tracks all of your meals in there as well. So it'll prompt you to start to write down exactly what you've eaten, whether it's an apple, a banana, fish, it doesn't matter. It'll ask you to track all of that. And when you track that, and then an hour later, the app will probably send feedback from the sensor to your phone and tell you exactly what you ate and how it affected your blood sugar levels. Anyways, guys, that is a wrap. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. I'm super excited to try out this Veri app and this continuous glucose monitor and go on this health and fitness journey with you guys. If you want to see future videos of me and sharing my life in London, but also sharing how I get on with the Veri app and this continuous glucose monitor, please make sure to hit that big red subscribe button and make sure you turn on that bell notification so you know exactly when my next video is going live. Anyways, I hope you guys are having an amazing day wherever you are in the world, and I hope to catch you guys in my next video. Bye!